Monthly averages help us make sense of data trends without drowning in numbers. We'll use DAX to work smarter, not harder. A measure lets us automate calculations, saving time and energy. And grouping data by months. That's the secret to making complex datasets look simple. Let's dive into the magic of Power BI and make data analysis a breeze. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Monthly averages act like a GPS for data. They guide us in understanding trends effortlessly. Businesses rely on them to compare performance across months. Spotting patterns, that's where the magic happens. And better decisions. They come naturally when the data is easy to digest. Ever noticed how sales spike around the holidays? That's monthly averages doing their job. They smooth out data, highlight unexpected dips or peaks, and make forecasting easier. No more guesswork, just solid insights backed by numbers. DAX is like the superhero of Power BI. It takes complex calculations and makes them simple. Functions like average and AVERAGEX help automate averaging without manual work. With DAX, we stop struggling with data and start commanding it. The average function does exactly what it says, calculates the mean value effortlessly. It's perfect for simple averaging, but has its limits when we need more control. Understanding when to use it helps us avoid rookie mistakes in reporting. AVERAGEX gives us a VIP pass to more control. It lets us handle filtered data effortlessly. Unlike average, it works row by row, ensuring better precision. Think of it as the fine-tuned version for advanced users. Creating a measure feels like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. It speeds up calculations. Measures are dynamic and reusable, making reports smarter. They take a little setup, but the payoff is huge. Divide makes sure we don't accidentally divide by 0, because nobody likes errors. It keeps calculations clean, improving accuracy. A well-placed divide function ensures we get the right numbers without hiccups. Grouping data by month helps us avoid chaos. It turns messy data sets into easy-to-read reports. Plus, it makes visualization a breeze, because nobody likes staring at random numbers. Let's talk about time. No, not the kind you wish you had more of. Time intelligence functions help us analyze trends, compare periods, and create dynamic reports. We're not just staring at numbers, we're making them tell a story. With these functions, your reports can go from static to insightful. So let's dive in and make time work for us instead of against us. Filters aren't just for social media, we need them in Power BI too. Without proper filters, monthly data can feel like an ocean of numbers. We use DAX functions to refine calculations, avoid excess processing, and keep our reports running smoothly. Think of it like making coffee. You want to filter out the grounds and get only the good stuff. Numbers are great, but visuals make them come alive. Charts help us see trends instead of drowning in spreadsheets. Aggregation techniques refine insights. Custom visuals make data engaging, and clear representations ensure accuracy. Because let's be honest, no one wants to squint at a wall of numbers. Missing data is like a puzzle with missing pieces. It's frustrating. But don't worry, Power BI has techniques to handle it. We identify gaps, use imputation strategies, and ensure data consistency. So instead of making wild guesses, let's fix those holes and make our reports rock solid. All right, let's wrap this up. First, remember, success isn't a one-time event. It's about learning, adapting, and improving constantly. Next, communication isn't just talking. It's about truly connecting with others, sparking ideas, and working together. Then perseverance, because let's be honest, setbacks happen. But staying resilient is what separates success from failure. And finally, challenges. They aren't obstacles, they're opportunities to grow, evolve, and prove what you're capable of. So go out there and make things happen. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.